In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to catch over 370 pips on gold right here. So from start to finish, let's go right now. All right. So earlier yesterday, I was able to share focus on what I was looking for on gold and a lot of other trades I was looking at. So let me just show you what was happening on gold right here. So this we shared in our mentorship community, right? So you can see that what we had right here was just a nice rally based drop supply zone. Then we saw the market creating some sort of liquidity right here. And what I was looking for in the market was for the market to come and touch into this area, taking out this liquidity which was left right here, and also the Asian session before we can see the market drop into the downside, right? So later on, the market did just that. It actually tapped into my area, and then the first trade was actually taken out. We're taken out. The market just tapped. I'll just show you on this particular trade right here. The market just tapped us out of that particular trade and decided to show signs of. You can see that right here. The market literally just tapped us out, and then we saw the market now reversing right here. And this is where I was able to share a re-entry right here so that we could actually enter this particular trade again. And after we entered this trade, see what happened right here. The market decided to push with big momentum to the downside. Of course, after it took out the Asian session and this liquidity right here. Of course, this was doing NFP. After this, the market kept on pushing to the downside right here, and we had a big push to the downside right here. And as the market continued to go to the lower time frame, we were able to tell the community to go break even. After some time, the market kept on pushing, and then we were able to throw our stop loss behind structure right there. And then the market kept all the way, and this is where the market is right here. So let me just show you on the chart how it was looking at right here. So on the 4-hour time frame, let me show you what it looked like. So you can see that the market has been progressively going to the upside for a long time, but we had this break of structure, break of this low which was left right here. So that got me concerning. So this week I've been trying to sell gold like crazy because I saw it going down, right? So you're going to realize that actually took some losses on gold because of my bias, but it finally paid off at the end of the day. So you can see that right here what we had was simply a rally base drop supply zone with liquidity right here. And on the lower time frame, if you can go to the lower time frame, you're able to see the order block which was left right here. And then there was a level before the order block which I suspected was going to be taken out as liquidity, as the market just did that. So this level right here was taken out. However, my point of interest was just quite above just this one right here. So this rally based drop was my point of interest, not this one right here. So you can see that the market just took out this, and actually just also took us out by a pip or so. You can see right here the market just took us out with a small amount of pip right there, and then we saw it trying to reverse again. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, we have to get in back, right? So this is the one that took us out, and then we saw the market again reversing. It came back to my area, and this is where I was about to share the re-entry, and the market kept on dropping from that time. Like, it was crazy. The market kept on dropping all the way. My initial target was 550 pips, but you can see right here that the market is now pushing to the upside from this right here, and that's where I was able to I've just been able to tell the community to actually get out if there are still those that are still in this particular trade right here. So this was a beautiful trade. Like, this was really amazing. So if you look from here, so if you catch from here and all the way to where we end up getting out from, this is basically a 1-to-14 risk reward ratio with about 380 pips right here. You can see from this level right here, you can see clearly even from here that we're able to get out fast from right there. It's a beautiful 1-to-14 risk reward ratio. Our stop loss was 26 pips and our target was 550. However, we ended up getting out at 380 pips, which is just more than enough, right? Otherwise, this week was not easy because we were able to take some losses, especially on gold, mostly on gold, because I really had the bias of trying to short gold to the downside right there. So that's how it is. Otherwise, this was a beautiful trade. I'll show you a clip of where I entered and how the market went in my direction and how much I was able to actually make from that particular trade right here. Otherwise, this was an absolutely beautiful trade and documented from start to finish. And yeah, I hope you found value. If you found value, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.